Hello, good morning, everybody. Welcome to our challenge for today. I know it's the holiday, but we're not stopping. Okay, so the purpose of these daily videos, you guys, is to get you feeling comfortable with the moves and the formats that I teach, the beat of the music, the pace that we move at, all the things to get you ready and confident to do a full workout and a full class with me, hopefully by the end of the month or right into the new year. So, welcome to my virtual studio. My name is Kate. I teach a variety of online formats and fitness classes, all to the beat of music. So they're amazing. They're so fun. Our group is amazing. Make sure you are in our Facebook group. Those links are above or below this post somewhere. Add yourself to that group. Add yourself to Lindsay's group so that you can be winning the fun workout gear that she's giving away. I'm just so excited to be doing this for you, and hopefully it's very helpful for you. So today we're going to go through kicks. So kicks are from two of the formats that I teach, turbo kick, and then another cardio kickboxing format that I teach as well. And we do these kicks often, so get to know them. We always do a quote of the day in my classes, so here's our quote for today. We always do reminders. And let's get into it today, you guys. So workout screen. So in my classes, it's really awesome. We have a front view and a side view so you can see the angles, and so you can know what you're doing and do it with proper form and technique. So I want to show you the kicks today. We're going to go through 3 or 4 kicks, and then we're going to put them to some music at the pace that we normally move in a typical turbo kick class or a cardio kickboxing class. The first kick I want to show you is a roundhouse kick. And so in our roundhouse kick position, a couple things with most of the kicks. When I say W guard, your arms are coming up like this to literally make a W. Do you see how the W is formed with my arms there? So W guard, a roundhouse kick is a side kick, but when you're lifting that leg up, your thigh is facing forward and your toe is pointed, and you slap it out with control with the top of your foot. So toe pointed, thigh up, slap it out, guard is up, bring it back, set it down. That other leg, that stabilizing leg, is angled out a bit. That foot is angled out just a tad bit. Because when you want to step forward, you're opening up your hips. Your hips are opening front. Slap it out, bring it in, set it down. Core is crunched and tight. You're not leaning all the way forward this way because otherwise you're going to topple over. Got to keep it up. Because you also have to look. You got to look at who you're kicking. You're not really kicking anyone. You're kicking the air. Guard up, point, strike, down. Other side, guard up, step, strike, bring it back, set it down. Lift it up, strike, set it down. Point a toe. That's a roundhouse kick. Doesn't have to be high. You can keep it low, especially if you're just learning. Side push kick is the next kick. Same thing, we're going to the side, same W guard, but now you're going to flex your foot. Your flexed foot is going to have your toes pointing down and your butt turns up, okay? Because with the side push kick, you bring that knee in slightly and then you push it out and you're striking with the heel of your foot, okay? So that's different than the top of your foot with the roundhouse kick. So you pull it in, strike, pull it back, down, but it's faster. Other side, flex the foot. You're gonna hear me say toes turn down, butt turns up, and then you strike and pull it in, set it down. Pull, strike, in, down. That's a side push kick. We also do that same side push kick, but instead of going to the sides, we add more rotation and we strike to the back corner. Same kick, just more rotation going straight behind you. Same flexed foot, I almost fell over, totally normal. Flexed foot, same flexed foot, just to the corner. Then we have a front push kick. Okay, this is called a grocery kick in my classes because it's like you're holding a bag of groceries and you've just got home and no one's there helping you, so you have to push the door open with your foot. That's why it's called a grocery kick. You're pushing open the door like you have groceries, striking with the ball of your foot. There's a slight lean back. If you check that side camera, instead of your groceries, you put your guard up. Push. Push. It kind of feels awkward. It's almost like your foot is going up and over something and then coming down. Okay? That's a front push kick. And then we have knees. We will put knees in between the kicks as well. All right, so you guys, I want to put this to the music. It's going to feel fast. okay? It's gonna feel fast, it's gonna feel weird, it's gonna feel awkward, especially if you've never done this before. So, allow yourself to be a beginner and go through this video a couple times. So we're gonna put these moves to the music, to the beat. Let's do it. I'm gonna turn the music up for us because music gets blasted in my classes. I won't turn it up as loud as I normally do, but I'll turn it up loud for you. A good pair of headphones is recommended. All right, let's do it at 11 here. Okay, here we go, you guys. Get the song back for us. All right, so we're gonna try these kicks. We're gonna try the knees.
Welcome to round 93.
And you're gonna give yourself permission to be a beginner. Do I have your attention? It's always really good music in turbo. All right, so we're gonna march 3 with a roundhouse kick. So it's march 2, 3, kick. March 2, 3, kick. Back and forth. Get the beat. It's a little teeny step. Striking with that top of your foot. You can keep it low. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, kick. Make sure your arms are up in your guard. Toe is pointed, slap. And be low. Okay, we're gonna add single knees. Single knees, pull it up. Easy, okay? So easy knees. Now, after we do this for a little bit, we're gonna put these together. It's gonna feel fast. We can do it. Okay, march 3 with a roundhouse. 1, 2, 3, kick. Now 2 knees. Now 2 kicks. Okay, 2 knees, back and forth, 2 kicks. Kick, kick, knee, knee, roundhouse, roundhouse. Keep going. Woo! Couple more. Now we're gonna change this to that side push kick instead of the roundhouse. Okay, march 3 with a side push kick. Flex your foot, strike it out. 1, 2, 3, strike. 1, 2, 3, strike. Toes turn down, butt turns up. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, strike. It's fast. Woo! Feel your core engaged? You're going to be working your abs the whole time you do a turbo kick class with me. Okay, let's do 2 knees right here. Now 2 kicks. Strike, strike. 2 knees, 2 kicks. Hit it, hit it. Woo! It's going to be low, it doesn't have to be high. Okay, let's turn this to a back corner kick. March 2, 3, kick to the corner behind you. It's that same flexed foot position. Just more rotation, so it's a little more challenging. Hey, let's do those 2 knees. Go. Now 2 kicks. Kick, kick. Knee, knee, kick behind, behind. It's fast. It feels weird. You can do it. Okay, let's do that front push kick. 1, 2, 3, push to the front like you have groceries. March 2, 3, push. Check that side cam. Find that slight lean back. Everything is still strong in the upper body. Now 2 knees here. Knee, knee, push, push. Knee, knee, push, push. You got it. This is probably the easiest of the kicks. Yeah, jump rope. You did it. You did the kicks to the pace of the music. Clap your hands. I'm out of breath. Okay, you guys. See, that wasn't that bad. Now, if you need practice, just rewind and do it again. All right, I'm going to turn the music down for us. Okay, so, couple of things. Put that away. Well, warmest thanks. That was my thank you card for my members today. So you guys, that is the typical kicking moves in turbo kick and the cardio kickboxing formats that I teach. Once you have those moves down, in class, we put those together in various combinations and various patterns, and we rock out to the music. So I hope this was helpful. Again, if you have not done the previous challenges, those are all posted above or below this. Find those, do them, share them. They're all available to anybody, and make sure you're in the Facebook groups. And make sure you're posting to win the fun thing with Lindsay. And I think that's it. All right, you guys, have an amazing holiday, and we'll see you tomorrow. 93. We'll see you tomorrow for another challenge. Let me know how this one goes. All right, take care. Bye-bye.